就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and we're bringing back Tito Tong's Latin beats to you on this segment as he brings a genre called cumbia, which originates in Colombia. Now, this song is called 跟我来, or in Hakka 听我來, which means come with me, and it's about friendships and how friends will find each other no matter what country they travel to, as if fate binds them together. Now, Tito also has a Spanish title to it. It's called Contigo Siempre Quiero Estar, which means I'll always be with you. Let's take a listen.
Pen you se move ABC 唔管也係到死 And 來做朋友冇排斥 天定一腳步向前行 And 大家來從快樂過嚟 歡喜嘅時候去珍惜 天定嘅喜要留天地 天涯來天涯去 唔過你世讀書 天一年又一年 看你落葉子嘅時候 I always wanna be with you 唔可以讓一生一生氣 本愛的也未到多年 上人向下講掉花 And 來做朋友冇排斥 人生冇計較冇小氣 人做對變到冇好勢 煩惱嘅時候冇意插 天定嘅喜要留天地 天涯來天涯去 唔過你世讀書 天一年又一年 看你落葉子嘅時候 Contigo siempre quiero estar
有没有想要一起跳舞呢？这满满的拉丁风味啊，就是来自于哥伦比亚的一个曲风叫 cumbia， 是汤宇歆的歌叫做 听我來。跟我来做什么呢？一起做个朋友吧，因为我们四海之内皆兄弟，而且无论天涯海角，遇到什么样的朋友都是一种缘分哦。Alright, another Latin infused song by Tito Tong right here in Hakka. So dance, dance, dance away. I'm Joseph Lin right here on ICRT. We'll have another Hakka song next time. Bye bye.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.